OK。但是应该带一个 chest strap 或者 head strap 就可以把我的 camera 固定住。Look at that. So we just took the kayak out right from the house. 加油，爱先。So our house is right there somewhere, right in front of us.